is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a automatic curler. So in case you guys are looking for a good curler for your hair, then definitely this review will help you. So this is a automatic curler. Previously also I have shown you some curler review, but this one is like automatic curler and I have never used the automatic curler. So let's open it and see how it looks. So this is automatic curler, and let's see the packaging. So it comes with like 2 clips. This is the curler. It looks so nice, like different than the regular curler. And yeah, this is the card. And okay, so let's start. So after plugging in, so you can see after turn on the curler, you can increase the curler like this. You can increase it like this way. If you want like more temperature, you can just click here and it will increase like 360, increase or decrease by pressing this item, and this way you can curl your hair. So let's try this one. It looks really easy. So first I have to spray my hair with, you can use any spray, I'm just using this spray. My hair is not good, and yeah, I just don't like my hair. So oh wow, it's good. Look at the color. Okay. Oh wow, you can see the color. Let me try some more hair. Okay, so one way it's like you're curling your hair, one way just it's rotating, other way it's just let me try some other hair. So this is the easiest way. So you just have to sew your hair like this. You can see, and it curls like this. Yeah. Yeah, you can see, yeah, it's working. Like this way it will work. So you just have to put your hair like this way. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah, it curls nicely, you can see. Uh, Yes. So guys, you can see this is how it curls the hair. Yeah, it did. I didn't finish all these curls, so yeah, it works fine. I mean, rather it's just a wand. It's not like a air curler. I usually don't use this kind of like a wands for my hair to curl my hair. But if you are using this, then definitely this one is a easier one, and I don't have like a much complaint about this one, because this the way they have mentioned it works like automatically. Yeah, definitely it curls the hair like automatically. You just have to sew your hair and it just curl it automatically with a 360-degree rotation. So definitely it's a easier one to curl your hair. And yeah, and it looks nicer than the regular curler. As for the price, this one like looks works fine. It's not like an expensive one, it's like a cheaper one, but as for the price, this works fine. The way they have mentioned that it's a rotating curl like iron, it's like 360-degree, and it looks nice, and all these features are also works fine. And yeah, it's so easy and convenient also. So yeah, as per the price, I don't have any complaint for this one. It works fine. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.